Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent chain and functional group. The molecule contains a ketone, C is equal to O. Write out the full carbon skeleton, CH3C is equal to O, CH, C2H5, CH, CH3, CH3. The carbonyl carbon is attached to CH3 on one side and a chain continuing through to more carbons ending in CH3 on the other side. Moving on to the next step. Find the longest carbon chain containing the ketone. Starting from the terminal CH3, left of C is equal to O, C1 is equal to CH3, C2 is equal to C is equal to O, C3 is equal to CH, C2H5, C4 is equal to CH, CH3, C5 is equal to CH3. This gives a 5-carbon, pentane, parent chain with the ketone at position 2, making it pentane 2-1. Moving on to the next step. Identify substituents. At C3 there is an ethyl group, C2H5. At C4 there is a methyl group, CH3. And for the final step, number to give lowest locants to substituents and the principal group. Numbering from the end closest to the ketone, left side, gives ketone at C2 ethyl at C3 methyl at C4. Numbering from the other end would give ketone at C4 which is higher, so the first numbering is correct. Ethyl before methyl. Name 3-ethyl, 4-methylpentane 2-1. Evaluate other options. A and B use methylethyl, isopropyl, as a combined substituent, which is incorrect because the ethyl and methyl groups are on different carbons. D. 3-ethyl, 2-methylpentane, 4-1 would place the ketone at C4 which does not give the lowest possible locant for the principal group. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.